If your RAM 1500 backup camera is flickering or cutting to black, you are not alone. Data suggests that 80% of these signal failures are actually caused by loose connections at the tailgate harness. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to isolate the fault. Start by inspecting the harness plug under the bed, checking for corrosion, and verifying the camera ground wire is secure. The most common culprits are corroded pins, pinched wiring near the tailgate hinge, or occasionally, a failing head unit port. Carefully inspect the cable run for cracked insulation or water ingress, and use a multimeter to test for continuity. Cleaning contacts and replacing clips is a simple DIY task, but internal head unit issues should be handled by a professional. Most repairs are inexpensive, but replacing the entire camera assembly can get pricey quickly. If symptoms persist, perform a load test on the power feed and try bypassing the harness to isolate the video signal. Keep your digital multimeter, contact cleaner, and dielectric grease handy for these types of electrical gremlins. Remember that electrical issues are rarely random, so follow the signal path systematically. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more truck troubleshooting guides.